Hello and welcome back to Way to Ageless, your go-to channel for all things related to health, wellness, and aging gracefully. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: natural and herbal supplements for anxiety and stress. But before we get started, make sure you've subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on your journey to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant life. Alright, let's get into it. To kick things off, let's explore what anxiety is. Anxiety is a common response to stress, and it can manifest as feelings of apprehension, nervousness, and worry. While occasional anxiety is a part of life, chronic or excessive anxiety can have a significant impact on our well-being. Before we dive into our list of natural supplements, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional, preferably a holistic medicine practitioner. They can help tailor a plan that suits your specific needs. But are these supplements suitable for everyone? Well, not necessarily. Pregnant or nursing women, children, and those with underlying health conditions should consult their healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen. And remember, always consider potential interactions with existing medications. Now, you might be wondering, can supplements really help with anxiety and stress? The answer is yes, they can be a valuable addition to your anxiety management toolkit. However, keep in mind that their effectiveness can vary from person to person, and it may take some time before you notice significant improvements. Before we dive into our top 10 natural supplements, it's crucial to highlight who should exercise caution or avoid these supplements altogether. If you have allergies or sensitivities to specific herbs or ingredients, or if you have liver or kidney problems, consult your healthcare provider before use. Now, let's get to the good stuff, our top 10 natural supplements for anxiety and stress. These can provide relief and support your overall mental well-being. First up, we have ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb that helps regulate the stress response. You can take 300 to 500 milligrams capsules daily for its anxiety-reducing effects. Lavender oil is next on our list. You can inhale it or use it in a diffuser to promote relaxation. It can also be applied topically to ease tension. Valerian root is known for its calming effects and can be taken in 300 to 600 milligrams capsules before bedtime for better sleep and anxiety relief. Passion flower is a natural sedative that can help alleviate anxiety symptoms. You can consume it as a tea or take 400 to 500 milligrams capsules. Chamomile tea is a classic remedy for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Enjoy a cup before bedtime for improved sleep. Rhodiola rosea is an adaptogenic herb that helps the body adapt to stress. Take 200 to 400 milligrams daily to reduce anxiety. Kava kava is another fantastic option, known for its anxiety and stress relief. You can use it as a supplement or prepare a calming tea. Ginkgo biloba improves blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and reducing anxiety. Consider taking 120 to 240 milligrams daily. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is an adaptogen that helps the body cope with stress. Enjoy it as a tea or take 300 to 600 milligrams capsules. Last but not least, we have L-theanine, found in tea leaves. It promotes relaxation without drowsiness. Take 100 to 200 milligrams daily. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to natural and herbal supplements for anxiety and stress. Remember, while these supplements can be helpful, they work best when combined with other stress reduction techniques like exercise, meditation, and therapy. Thank you for joining us today on Way to Ageless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable information on your journey to aging gracefully. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and until next time, take care.